Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Looney. The market bounced back hard today after all that drama that happened between Trump and Elon. We are up 2.15% on the day. On the week, I am actually net up 4%. So was that dip just a blip? Was it staged? Who knows? The selling pressure really looks like it cooled off for now. But before we get into it, quick shout out to the Discord. It is free to join. And then I also have premium perks, which gives you access to courses, one-on-one coaching. I do trade callouts and I do giveaways. You can check it out. All links will be in the description. But not everything is sunshine and gains right now, or at least for my portfolio. Although my portfolio is green overall on the day and just a good month and different strategy or different momentum going on in my portfolio. We're seeing a lot of upside. My covered calls and my credit spreads are starting to feel the heat. And just the big question now is, did I overdo it? Did I overdo the over hedging? So let's talk about it. So first up, we're going to talk about the spreads. I loaded up on call credit spreads on Mara, on Riot, and SoFi. And when the market dumped actually yesterday, they were looking pretty good. I mean, wasn't looking to make any moves with them, but now that we're bouncing back, we are seeing they're under pressure. Now, do I regret these moves? Not really. This is part of the game. I didn't over leverage. These are smaller positions within my portfolio. They're size small, and also the risk is defined. So I'm not chasing premiums on massive junk stocks or meme stocks. I knew a bounce was always possible. I do have opportunity for the upside. I own these shares, so if it does see the upside, I'm perfectly fine with that. The reward is good. So although the reward isn't as sweet when the market rips, it does give you some kind of safety or cushion, because we are seeing that things are overheating just slightly, or at least that's the way I feel. I did take some action though today. I closed some of my put sells, my cash secured puts, just to free up some cash. Just because, let's switch over to the VIX, because the VIX is what I'm looking at on why I freed up the cash. We can see the VIX is dropping towards 15. And if we know when volatility is low, I want to have cash on the side waiting for any kind of aggressive motion. And then I can start selling puts again. That doesn't mean I'm not investing at all right now, but I am looking to load up on cash, waiting for better opportunities right now. I'm very cautious about investing into companies at these prices. But I did close some. If you go to my options, realized profit, and this past week I closed my Mara puts that I give these trade callouts to my Discord, another plug, but did really good. 282 on the week, and the month 600, and just overall year to date up 5,000 or 60%. So are these covered calls bad or call credits? Probably not. I'm just going to wait to see how these play out. There are a few in the red, and we're just going to roll them and just play it by ear. Might have to double down. We'll see. And I did open another trade today, doubling down on credit spreads. This 19 Mara one, because I do feel it can go to the upside. If it does, we're going to be in a situation where we're probably going to have to sell some shares or just make different moves. So what is next? I'm not all in on this bounce, not even close. There's still macro uncertainty, and there's talk of a potential US-China deal on June 9th. So that can move markets big either way. And if it happens and it's positive, we'll probably see strength continue. If not, I'm sure we'll start seeing that volatility, that dump again fast. Crypto, on the other hand, is also following suit, doing very good. A lot of my cryptos fell off, but they are showing strength once again. I'm not really rushing with these, just buying every day, just a little bit, building that position for long-term growth. So no panic of closing these spreads, not FOMO buying. I'm not buying these levels. I'm just watching levels, keeping cash, and just adjusting positions as needed. If you want real-time updates on how I'm trading the moves or these moves, hit the Discord. It is free to join. And if you want coaching, trade alerts, and a full course, that's in the premium. Links are in the description. Stay smart, stay patient, and don't let the bounce mess with your plan. Peace.